today we are here in Sydney, BC, and I'm heading towards my boat, and I want to show you how my Viking 30 diesel heater from Wallas Marine performs. And that percentage here stabilized in 1. So let's go outside and check how much the noise is on the exhaust. So no sound outside, so you'd have very, very happy neighbors. There's my exhaust. No smoke, nothing. Burning diesel very cleanly. Fantastic. Okay, so now I'll show you where this beauty is installed. I installed it in my port lazarette, and I mean, even here at full blast, it's pretty quiet. And I'm very, very, very impressed that you can't hear the pump at all.